In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. This process is quite straightforward and will significantly enhance your productivity by linking your file management seamlessly with your Notion workspace. Whether you're using this for personal organization or a collaborative workspace, you'll find this integration incredibly useful. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to Google Drive. You want to find the specific file or folder you wish to integrate with Notion. So once you're in Google Drive, navigate through your stored files or folders until you find the one you need. When you've located it, simply right-click on the file or folder. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From these options, you'll want to select Share. Once you do that, another menu will appear, giving you the ability to manage link sharing permissions. Here, you'll see the option to Copy Link. Click on that, and you've got your Google Drive link ready to go. Keep in mind, when you're sharing, it's essential to adjust the permissions according to who will need access from Notion. You want to make sure that if others need to view or edit this file through Notion, the permissions are in place to allow for that. After copying your link, the next step is to integrate this with Notion. So go ahead and open up the Notion page where you want to embed this link. Once you've got that page open, type Quick Embed into the search bar. Notion will automatically bring up a few options for you. What you're looking for here is the Embed option. Click on that, and a new input field will appear. This is where you'll paste the Google Drive link that you just copied. After pasting it, you'll want to click on Embed Link. Notion will take care of the rest, connecting your Google Drive document directly into your Notion page. Now a little tip. Once you've embedded the file, you can modify its size and positioning within your Notion page by clicking and dragging. This is particularly helpful for ensuring that everything in your workspace is organized just the way you like it. Additionally, integrating Google Drive in this way also maintains interactivity. This means that any changes made to the Google file itself will reflect across both platforms without needing to update the link or embed again. It's a real time saver. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully integrated Google Drive with Notion, enhancing both your accessibility to important documents and overall workflow efficiency. Now you can continue organizing your projects, knowing everything you need is seamlessly connected and right at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps streamline your Notion and Google Drive integration.